Hi, painting. Welcome to another week with Mrs. Williams. I'm so excited to see your mingled washes this week. We're going to go back to a theory and a technique we already know. You guys have already practiced it. We're just getting better at it this week. This week, you're going to sketch me 5 new prompts, complete an artist spotlight, and as I just gave you a sneak peek, we're going to do some mingled washes again, and this time we're going to do it galaxy style. And so this is the very last week of Inktober. For those following along, congratulations. I know it is not an easy feat, and so great job for keeping up with it. If you're new to painting, welcome. Here's how to do those artist spotlights. This slide will show you everything you need to know. This week, Monday through Thursday, this is a summary. We are going to create an art piece with a mingled wash as a galaxy sky, and once we've created a galaxy sky, we're going to create a horizon silhouette. A silhouette means it is a landscape, so trees, mountains, people, and it's all filled in with black, so there's no inner details. Like you can see this person over here, it's pretty much just the outline, and it's just filled in with black, so there shouldn't be any inside details, clothes, hair, anything like that. And so this is our weekly breakdown, like where I want you to be every single day. If you do not know how to do a mingled wash, I want you to go back to week 8 and watch those mingled wash videos all over again and practice, practice, practice. Monday, I want you to practice. And I want you to tape your border, all right? That means taking masking tape, not duct tape, not packing tape. You can use masking or washi tape and tape around the edge of your paper. This is going to create a professional look that's going to look so much better. And then I want you to experiment and choose your galaxy color scheme on a separate piece of paper. Practice different colors that could work for a galaxy scene. I automatically start with blue green, blue teal, blue red, or blue purple. On Tuesday, once you've done your actual mingled wash and you've covered the entire paper, don't stop near the bottom, even though we're going to cover that. Do the entire paper, one mingled wash, big one. All right. So Tuesday, once that entire mingled wash is dried up, then you're going to draw your silhouette, whether you want mountains, trees, a human, a deer, a unicorn, witches flying into the moon. I don't care. So draw your silhouette and fill it in with black paint, okay? And from the well, not the puddle. What that means, let's see if I can find, oh no. Okay, I'm back. And so if I say from the well, not the puddle, if it's mixed over here, this is the puddle. All right. This, the actual circle part with the paint, this is the well. And so when I say fill in the silhouette with black paint from the well, I mean directly pull from this circle. That means use a little bit less water than you normally do when you put it into the puddle section. And then Thursday, if you really want those bright stars, you'll need white acrylic paint, not white watercolor paint. You're going to need acrylic and probably a very, very tiny, tiny, tiny paintbrush, like yay big. Or you can use a toothbrush, which is my secret weapon. I love to flick it across my canvas and create some really random white speckles. Here we go. Yeah, you can see these techniques here. This is what it looks like when you've taped off your border. It just looks really, really good. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. Happy Halloween. If you get bored sometime this week and want to get in the spooky season, there is the haunted house this camp on Ironwood campus from Thursday and Friday, and it's 5 to 8 in the evening, so it's a little bit after school happens. We have fresh cotton candy. It's a socially distanced and masked event, so it's plenty safe, and you can come out and support the arts, woohoo, with your friends. It's $3 for students at the door. Unless you bring a can of food, then it's $2. All right, guys. I will see you around. Have a great Halloween and a happy week.